Yo, what's up guys? Andy here with another episode of Tap Lab, and today we're talking about Cash App stocks. So about a week ago, Cash App announced that it will be rolling out stocks within its app, so you'll be able to purchase stocks similar to the way that you purchase Bitcoin. And it's kind of rolling out slowly. Today I just tweeted Cash App, when will stocks be available? And they said, we've started rolling out Cash App investing out to customers. Keep checking our app to see if you've got it. Until then, you can learn more about investing at Cash App stocks. So this is cool. I'm excited about the stocks edition coming soon to Cash App. I'll probably do a similar experiment to my buying $1 of Bitcoin every day experiment, just to start to get some money into stocks, start to learn about it and see what it's all about. But let's go ahead and check out what they've got to offer here. So this is kind of like their Cash App stocks onboarding. So we're going to go through these quickly, see if they have anything good to say. So investing is when you put money in to try and get more money back. And you can invest in lots of things like businesses, land, trading cards, which I invest in as of recently, so that's cool. Gems, time machines, pretty much anything. Bitcoin. Investing is often done through stocks, sometimes called shares. Stocks are just small pieces of the business. This is good information on here if you guys want to come click through this and learn. So this breaks down how shares work and market cap. So basically owning a stock is like owning part of that business. Stocks are bought and sold on exchanges. Investing is risky, stocks go up and down. This is a big one right here. Only invest with money that you can afford to lose. Spread your investments across different companies, sectors, assets, different assets to help reduce risk. Diversification. So here's the final screen. Ready to start investing? Cash App is the simplest way to start investing in your favorite companies. So generally how stocks work is you have to buy a whole share. So if a share is $30 or $150, you have to buy the whole thing. But Cash App looks like it will allow you to buy partial shares, kind of how Bitcoin works. You don't have to buy a whole Bitcoin, you can just buy a small portion of it. And from what I read before, the minimum investment will be $1. So you can invest $1 in whatever company that you want, whether that's Apple or Tesla or whatever you decide on. So it'll be cool, it'll be interesting to see. I'm excited to see it. And I'm definitely going to be making Cash App investing or stock videos on this channel. So be sure to subscribe for that. Another thing to note, check out this interface here. If you guys are familiar with my Bitcoin videos, there's kind of the Bitcoin tab that looks like this. And I saw some of the actual UI design for this on Twitter. So it'll have an investing tab, and then it'll have a toggle for Bitcoin and stocks. And that's how it's gonna work. That's all for this video. I'm excited about it. Let us know what you guys think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay, don't blame your problems on the past. Go hard, go hard, go hard. You might win. Don't blame your problems on the past, 'cause that'll make you come and last, so go hard.